Well, it's snowing in Vermont tonight, but somebody has come in and enjoyed dinner. You see a little melted spot here on the carpet, and I think you could probably follow little kitty footprints. Go under the table. Yes. And emerge right there. And head off. And in the distance, little cat hop, hop, hop through the snow. It's dark out there. Let's see if we can throw some light out here. It's snowing a little bit. Bird feeder had lots of traffic. It's deep. And there's the porch at night. You can see the lights here. Got a flashlight beaming out into the distance as much as we can. But it's not a whole lot. It's winter time in Vermont, and I'm going to head back in where the wood stove is because it's cold out here.